halfway.
Oh my God.
Woo! Man, they're going.
Grand finale.
This is the grand finale, guys.
Woo!
Shit, I can't stay still. I'm drunk. Go now, Joey. I think it's halfway. About halfway. Nice. That's funny, man.
Do you not see this, guys? You'd never see anything like that in New York, trust me. My ears are dead right now. I can't really hear anything.
Happy
Your neighbors love you guys.
Merry Christmas! Oh, whatever. Alright, thanks for everyone for coming out. The tip bucket's over here. Help us clean up. Have a good night. Oh man.
What type of cleanup are you looking for? You're looking to like kicking it into the gutter or like?
Hey, Andrew, you already except for this one.
Daddy, my camera, my camera! I think we
Kick
can
it
blow it all
everywhere
down
else
there.
is hard.
Is there anyone that like you would like?
Okay, that was the grand finale. Never seen anything like that in New York ever.
I'm ready for bed.
I think. I'm sleepy, very, very, very sleepy, very sleepy.
Party's over.
Stuff going on you?
My stomach itches. And there we go. We're done. Look at all.
Did you get that on your?
Yeah, I was like this the whole time.
Oh my gosh, you can see the whole.
I know. I was like, I can't get it all. I was going like this, trying to get it all. It was so much. Take
2 years. 2 years with the Mohawks. Right there. Second year right here.
next year.
Next year we're gonna go out blowouts.
Oh gosh.
Wow. All day every day.
You think you can do this in New York?
The fat guy.
Fat guy. The fat guy that likes the pinchos.
Okay.
No, next year we gotta make a fucking a cake. Do what? This way, fool. I didn't say that. Look, see? That was the Mohawk.
They should make a cake, literally a cake, like with cream and stuff, and put a thingy in there. Boom!
Hold on to this.
I'm slipping. Whee!
Hold on to this. Let me go help them.
Oh. Okay. I'll take
Look,
this.
see, we're
I want to sweep.
got a dud. Anybody got a match?
Daddy, I want to sweep
Who
the
got the hearts and like this?
floor. I want to sweep the floor.
We ain't going. We're right here with it.
Okay, what's that? Those are all the, I don't know what that is.
Hey, we got one more dud. We got the dud, huh?
Oh, those are all the coins. I don't think you can see them. Oh, it's called Production. By Snoop Dogg. No. Okay, look at the big mess. Let's start from over there. Get all of it. It's a mess. Alright. There you go. The mess is 4th of July. Let's come back. There we go.
Nah, it didn't go up. It's the first one. Fuse burned up and it never went off.
Daddy, say your farewells to it. Yeah! Oh my god! Psycho!